Filipino can afford an assumption college education, so share it through social media. Feel free to express your opinions about the anomalies and scandals in our government. You have intellectual faculty to determine the fate of your universe. When the Bible says that man was created in the image of God, hindi yan ibig sabihin kamukha ng lalaki ang Diyos, kaya mga babae. Kung hindi ibig niyang sabihin, God gave us a conscience, because if you use your conscience correctly, you are acting in the place of God. Para ka na rin Panginoon. Your conscience is the best gift that God gave to you. And make no bones about it, make no mistake. God treats men and women equally. In my case, I had no money, so I had to rely on the youth and energy of my youth volunteers. Halimbawa, I could not afford to build a stage or even rent one, so my youth volunteers would just go to the lumber yard, beg for rejected lumber, and then build it themselves. It was do-it-yourself campaign. That is why we often crash to the ground, because our platforms were not sturdy. They were built only by youth volunteers. Many times, bumagsak ako sa lupa dahil hindi pala malakas ang paggawa ng aming platform. Pero nagnaanan ko. But today, social media has changed the rules of the game. There will be less rallies and motorcades.